So right here, I have the option to click and add a text box. I can choose the size. I can choose the color. These are the easy colors here. I can obviously get more specific. But I'm going to choose red so it shows up. And all I'm going to do is click where I want a text box. And then I'm going to type what I want. Now notice I can select it. I can change the font. I can change the size. Okay, whatever I want, I can I can modify it. As soon as I click on it, I get all these options again. Okay, so like I'd normally have in a Word document, I can do that here. Okay, and wherever I click, so I can then click here and add today's date, 10/1/20. Okay, if this one I want to change the size again, I can. I'm going to click here, and my class period will just say it's 7. And when I do this in class, these would have sheet numbers, but let's just pretend. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to read the article. Okay, and then when I'm ready, I can use text boxes down here and answer the questions.